3 Chinese astronauts have made a dramatic and successful return to Earth, landing safely after their original return capsule was found to be damaged. Imagine floating in space, ready to come home, only to find out your ride has tiny cracks in it. That's exactly what happened to the crew of Shenzhou. On Friday, after an extended stay aboard the Tiangong space station, the team descended through the atmosphere. A massive red and white striped parachute billowed open, slowing their craft for a pinpoint landing in the remote Gobi Desert. What a sight that must have been! The astronauts, Chen Dong, Chen Zhongrui, and Wang Jie, were supposed to end their 6-month mission and return on November 5. However, their journey was delayed by 9 days. Why? The Shenzhou-20 return capsule, their ticket home, was discovered to have tiny cracks. China's space agency believes these cracks were likely caused by impacts from space debris. You might not realize it, but there are millions of tiny particles zipping around Earth, faster than a bullet. These fragments, left over from old launches and collisions, pose a serious risk to satellites, space stations, and the brave astronauts working in orbit. So, with their original craft out of commission, how did they get back? Plan B. They used the Shenzhou-21 spacecraft, which had just arrived at the station carrying their 3-person replacement crew. It was a cosmic car swap, hundreds of miles above the Earth. The Chinese Space Agency confirmed that the stranded takonauts, the Chinese word for astronauts, remained in good health and spirits throughout the delay. This all took place on the Tiangong space station, which means Heavenly Palace. China began building it in 2021. While it's smaller than the International Space Station, it represents a huge leap for China's rapidly growing space program, which has been making incredible strides since its first manned mission in 2003. Looking ahead, China isn't slowing down. They have ambitious plans to land a person on the moon by 2030 and have already sent a rover to explore Mars. In fact, their latest mission even included for mice to study the effects of weightlessness. This research could be key to understanding how we might one day breed animals in space. It's a fascinating time for space exploration, with new challenges and triumphs happening all the time. What do you think is the biggest challenge for long-duration space missions? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates from the final frontier.